it's Mia and welcome to a new video. Today's Sunday and I'm currently packing for our trip. If this is the first time you've seen me, hello! I post Disney travel and shopping content, so if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, please subscribe for more. So recently, my nanny and granddad bought a lovely caravan in Heysham. Over the next couple of days, we're going to stay in it for the first time. The caravan they bought is an ocean edge holiday park, and whilst we're there, we're going to explore Morecambe and Lancaster. Today I'm wearing this really comfy playsuit from Primark. I got this in my Primark haul, so I'll link that down below. So I'm just going to finish packing now before the car journey. So we've just eaten McDonald's in the car as our lunch and we're about half an hour away now from the caravan park. So we just went for a walk with my nanny and granddad around the perimeter of the park, so now I'm going to give you a tour of the caravan. So here's what the caravan looks like from the front. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Here is the living room. Here's the kitchen area. Down here is a corridor which leads you to the bedrooms. In here is where Lucy and Neve are going to sleep. Here is where my mum and dad are going to stay. And in here is a bathroom. So now that we've dropped off our things at the caravan, we're going to Morecambe for some shopping. Hamilton. Fun! So we're back at the Caravan now and we're going to get ready for tea and bowling. So for this evening I'm wearing this black top from Primark with these jeans from Shein. Just going into the arcade now. We were eating up there, and now we're going down there. Jumbo! Pathetic! Good morning! Today's Monday and we've just gotten ready to go to Lancaster. Today I'm wearing this black vest with jeans. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear me that well, but we've just finished shopping in Primark, so we're going to eat some lunch now. Back at the Caravan and I've just got changed because it's so warm outside. This fan is a lifesaver. So I am wearing this floaty dress because it feels really light. a game for those who seek to find a way to leave their world behind. Good morning! Today's Tuesday and it's raining really heavily outside. This morning we're going swimming and I can't film in there, so I'll see you later. So we've just been swimming, I've showered, and now we're just packing our things ready to go back home. So, we are back home from our trip now. I'm really sorry that I didn't get to film much today. It's not stopped raining outside, so we didn't go back out to Morecambe or Lancaster. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Have a magical day!